Hello and welcome to the channel House of Commerce. Today we are starting our business math chapter interest and annuity next lecture. In the previous lecture we have learned about the simple interest. Now we are learning about the compound interest. What is compound interest? According to this method, the interest for each time period is added to the principal before interest is computed for the next time period. Means the only difference between the simple interest and the compound interest is that the simple interest is calculated on the principal or original amount of a loan, but the compound interest is calculated on the principal amount and also on the accumulated interest of the previous period and can thus be regarded as interest on interest. A formula for compound amount: A equal to P 1 plus R power raised to the power n, where P equal to the principal, R interest rate per period, and number of periods, A equal to compound amount or accumulated amount. Compound interest is equal to A minus P, means compound amount minus principal amount. Now let's start the exercise. Question number 1. Find the compound amount if principal equal to rupees 600 and means numbers of period 4 years, and R the rate of interest 2%. Now moving to the question number 3. If it is given that find the compound interest of rupees 4500 in 3 years at 5% per annum. In this question we have to find the compound interest. In the previous questions we are finding the compound amount. Now we have to find the compound interest. In starting we have learned the formula of compound amount and compound interest both. The formula for compound interest is A minus P. So it's mean we have to find, for finding compound interest we must know the compound amount. So first of all we have to find the compound amount. Solution. In this question P is given, principal amount is 4500 rupees, rate of interest is 5% per annum, and number of year 3 years. So first of all we have, for finding compound interest we have to find the compound amount. So formula for compound amount is A equal to P 1 plus R raised to the power n. P equal to 4500 1 plus R equal to 5%, so 5 over 100 raised to the power 3, 1 plus 0.05. So solving the small bracket first, 1 plus 0.05 is equal to 1.05 raised to the power 3. 1.05 is multiplied 3 times, it is equal to 1.5625. So we multiply 4500 with 1.57625. We got 5209.31. We have find out the compound amount. Now we are finding the compound interest. So compound interest is equal to A minus B. So compound interest is equal to A minus B. A is equal to 5209.31. 5209.31 minus our principal amount 4500. So we got 709.31. This is our answer for compound interest. So it is also very simple to find the compound interest. If it is given compounded annually, monthly, so we will take m equal to 12 and the formula will same. It is so simple to find the effective rate of interest. If you like our videos, please appreciate us by subscribing and share with the others. 0.06%. If it is given annually, so we next question, find the effective rate of interest if an amount is invested at 5% per annum compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means 6-month period, means 2 times in a year. So we have to find effective rate of interest E. We have to find effective rate of interest. M is given 2 times. Semi-annually, semi means half of year. I is given 5%. 5% means 5 over 100, 0.05. So the formula will be the same, 1 plus I over m raised to the power m minus 1. E equal to 1 plus I 0.05 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1. So by dividing 0.05 with 2, we got 0.025 raised to the power 2 minus 1. So by adding with 1, we got 1.025 2 minus 1. So 1.025 raised to the power 2 means we are multiplying 2 times the value 1.025. We got 1.0506 minus 1 is equal to 0.0506. We are find effective rate, so we multiply with 100 and we got 5.1 plus, by dividing 0.09 by 4 is equal to 0.02, sorry, I forgot one thing, power m. So raised to the power 4, 0.0225 raised to the power 4 minus 1. So by adding 0.0225 with 1, we got 1.0225 raised to the power 4 minus 1. Means that value is multiplying 4 times. Power 4 means multiplying 4 times. So we got 1.09308 minus 1. E equal to 0.09308. So we have to find the rate now. Rate mean 100 multiply by 100. So we got 9.31% effective rate of interest. So this is our answer for effective rate of interest. Moving to our next topic, effective rate of interest. What is effective rate of interest? The annual rate at which an investment grows in value when interest is credited more often than once a year. Means it is observed that when the interest is compounded semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly, the interest earned during a year is greater than compounded annually. So this is what effective rate of interest. Formula for calculating effective rate of interest: E equal to 1 plus I over m raised to the power m minus 1, where E equal to effective rate of interest, I is the actual rate of interest in decimal, m the number of conversion periods. Moving to the exercise, find the effective rate of interest at 9% per annum compounded and quarterly. Quarterly mean 3 months period, means 4 times in a year. Now solution. We have to find the effective rate of interest. M is given 4, mean 3 months period, so 4 times in a year. I is given 9%, sorry. So formula for effective rate of interest is 1 plus I over m raised to the power m minus 1. 9% mean 9 over 100 is equal to 0.09. So E is equal to 1 plus 0.09 divided by 4. M is 4 minus 1. So 1631 with 24,680, we got 2.01. And here we have 1 plus r raised to the power 5. We have to separate r. Before separating r, we know we have power 5. So how to remove the power 5? We will take root 5 both side. So by taking root 5 both side, two point zero 0.01 and 1 plus r raised to the power 5 root 5. So the power will cancel with the root 5 and it become 1 plus r. Okay, root 5. We can also write this as 1 over 5. So by dividing 1 over 5 we got 0.2. So 2.01 power 0.2 multiply 2.01 root power 0.2 is equal to 1.1498 and 1 plus r remains here. Okay, we have to find r, so the one which is added with r minus on the other side, 1 minus 1.1498. So we got r equal to 0.15. So rate mean multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. So we got 15%. 15% is our answer. R equal to 15%. So this is very simple way to find the compound rate. Rate of compound interest with rupees 24,680 amount to rupees 49,631 in 5 years. In this question, we have to find the rate. We have to find the rate. Principal amount is 24,680 and compound amount is rupees 49,631 and number of years n is equal to 5 years. So moving to the solution, we have to find the rate. Principal amount rupees 24,680 compound amount rupees 49,631 and number of years 5 years. So the formula for compound interest is 1 plus r raised to the power n. Compound amount is 49,631 rupees. P is given 24,681 plus r raised to the power 5. We have to find r, that's why r. Okay, the amount 24,680 is multiplying here. Now moving to the other side, it will be divided with the compound amount 49,631 divided by 24,680 and 1 plus r raised to the power 5. So by dividing 49,631 with 24,680, we got 2.0. Formula for compound amount is A equal to P1 plus R raised to the power n. Okay, we have to find A. P is given 600, 1 plus 2 over 100. We are removing the sign of percent, so that's why 2 is divided by 100 and n equal to 4 here. So 600, 1 plus 0.02 raised to the power 4, 600, 1.02. We add 1 plus 0.02 is equal to 1.02 raised to the power 4. We multiply 4 times 1.02 4 times. So we got 1.0824. So we multiply 600 with 1.0824 is equal to 649.45. So our compound interest is equal to 649.45. That is our answer.